North Sikkim is a district of Sikkim. It offers the mesmerizing beauty of mountain to adventurers and nature lovers. The entire North Sikkim is surrounded with valleys covered with flowers and a showcase of vibrant ethnic communities that resides in the high altitude. Today I will be guiding you with one night 2 days tour plan of North Sikkim. To visit North Sikkim, you have to reach Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim. First, you have to reach the nearest railway station NGP by train or Bagdogra by air. Both private and share cabs are available from NGP. Private cab will cost somewhere around 2500 to 3000 and share cab 350 rupees per head. If you are planning to come by air, then you have to book share or private cab through a link which I mentioned below in the description box. Cost for private cab will be 3000 to 4000 and for share it will be 750 rupees per head. It will take almost 4.5 to 5 hours to reach Gangtok. To visit North Sikkim, you have to get permit from the travel agencies of Gangtok. So once you reach Gangtok, get the permit first. Or you can book it prior 1 week you visit Sikkim through online. So now we will be discussing what is the cost of the packages and places covered in it. You have to submit photo ID proof and 2-copy passport size photo for the permit. Cost will be around 1500 to 2000 on share basis. Places covered under this packages are Lachung, Yumthang Valley with accommodation and meals. On the way, they will stop near few sightseeing. So now day 2. Journey starts from Lachung. Lachung is the valley of rhododendron which starts from Yumthang Valley. It's at an elevation of about 9600 feet. The village is almost 125 km from the capital Gangtok. It will take almost 5 to 6 hours to reach Lachung. On the way, you will get few waterfalls, Bakthang Falls, Amitabh Bachchan Falls. Once you reach Lachung, they will provide you dinner within 8 pm. I must say the food is just average for one night. As it's a small village in top of the mountain, it's very tough to manage everything for the hotel or homestay people over there. So after dinner, overnight stay at Lachung. Day 3. Early morning they will provide breakfast and then start for next destination Yumthang Valley. Distance from Lachung to Yumthang is 25 km which will take 1.5 hours to reach Yumthang. If you are willing to visit Zero Point or Katao, then you need to pay 3000 to 3500 rupees extra per cab. Around 2 pm they will bring you back to same hotel or homestay for lunch. After lunch, again back to Gangtok by evening 7 pm. Few things which you must know before you visit Sikkim. Due to COVID-19, travel card is must to visit Sikkim. Link for travel card is given below in the description box. Don't plan to come in private cab to North Sikkim as only travel agencies cabs are enlisted and have permit to enter Lachung. Carry Diamox or Coca 30 to avoid breathing problem at high altitude areas. The best season to visit North Sikkim is mid of March to May. But the weather is so unpredictable. If there is sudden snowfall, you won't get permit for Lachung. So it's totally depend upon the climate. I have also mentioned few hotel and reliable travel agencies name in the description box. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back with next video soon. Stay safe, wear mask.